Story time. Wala lang, natutuwa lang ako sa mga bata, kasi may bata akong nakita kahapon. Yung magaan ang loob ko sa mga bata, okay? One of my mission yan sa mga bata. Anyway, yung bata, ano siya, he's 4 years old, okay? So, when she was looking at me it was in the pool. I'm here in one of the islands, okay? Hindi ko to bahay ha. Bahay ng relatives, okay? Anyway, so ang nakakatuwa sa bata kasi tinuruan ko siya na hindi maging matakot. Oh, mahirap mag ano guys, mahirap mag ano, mag mag-Tagalog. I'm trying. Okay. So yung I let her know about swimming, na hindi siya matakot na lumangoy, kasi she's very interested sa water. Tapos she's really like looking at me, gazing at me like, and it didn't dawn on me na bakit tumitingin tong bata, kasi parang ano lang ba, kasi may yung anak ko nagpi-play din katabi niya. So I was thinking, bakit nag-stare to sa akin, and I forgot kids are doing that to me all the time, okay? I will post a picture here also, okay? This is where I was waiting in the bus and then the baby girl just waved at me, okay? So, this is me. This is my uh, energy, okay? I'm drawn to kids, okay? So keeps on looking at me like, oh, this kids maybe want some attention. Okay, go, hey baby girl, how are you? And then she's listening. So, she's 4. And go, oh, you're close to Papa God, huh? Okay, so, okay, and you're trying to swim. Tapos, she just look at me and then she's doing her thing. Okay, okay, do you want to listen? Oh, listen to Tita, okay? Don't be afraid. Okay, so you want to float, right? So she's floating. Okay. And then she didn't really do it. Okay. Okay, so imagine. Sinabi ko. Kasi yung mga bata, very imaginative yan sila. Very creative ang mga bata. So I said to her, imagine yourself na itong water, para lang siyang bed, water bed. Yan ang papahinga ka. Tapos yung float-float ka lang ganyan. No? Huwag kang matakot kasi nandito naman kami, okay? I will watch you. Tapos yung ginawa talaga niya. Tapos, she did it really. Like, she did several times. Hindi siya natatakot. Tapos, ano lang talaga siya, nag-float siya. Tapos yung parents niya natutuwa nga siya. Oh my gosh! Parang nakita nila yung progress ng bata. Kasi nandun ako at pinawatch ko siya. Pero, I sent her actually, your thing. I sent her something na para hindi siya matakot, na i-push niya talaga yung ano niya, yung goal niya na ma-learn niya ang something. So she did. And natutuwa ako kasi natutuwa yung parents niya, natutuwa din yung auntie niya. Tapos sinabi ko sa sa mga adults na kids can easily, I teach them a lesson. Sabi ko, kids can learn fast, you know. And don't teach them fear. Let them be creative. If they want it, push them, okay? And you're there gonna be there for them to support. It's the other way around with the adults, because the adults, you will feel resistance, matatakotin. Mahirap ang adult, hindi sila makikinig. So ayun, nakikinig talaga yung bata sa akin. Tapos when she was farther away and she was with her dad, lagi pa rin siyang tumatingin sa akin, na she's doing her thing. But her older brother, yung sinabi ko sa isang tita niya, ito, ano to eh, fake, kasi ano siya, he tried to be brave, pero hindi, matatakotin to. Tapos nung dad niya, pinunta sa malalim, ayun, he's shouting, shouting. For the baby girl that I teach how to not to get afraid with the water, she's really doing her thing, she's really fond of the water, and I even told her, are you a mermaid? So that's it. This is my fun time with kids. I'm attached and drawn to kids right now. This is my energy with the kids. I'm fond of the kids and I love them, and especially 1 to 7 years old. Okay, if you see them, send something, because you will gonna imprint something for them without even them knowing it, but they can feel you. Okay, that's it. That's my take. I love you guys.